In this video, we are going to do a fun example. And in this fun example, we are going to use the for loops and an if statement, a conditional. So in this example, we want to write a very simple Python code that imitates cheerleaders. Let's say you enter your name. First of all, it's going to ask for your name. It's going to ask you to enter your name. You enter your name, and it's going to ask for your level of excitement. You enter, let's say your level of excitement is 2. So what it does is, for example, if your name is Brian, it will say, give me a B, B, give me an R, R, give me an I. It will continue all the way to the end of Brian, and then it will print Brian twice because your level of excitement is 2 times. You said 2. So if your name is, let's say Sarah, it would say, give me an S, give me an A, give me an R, all the way to H. Then it prints out your name according to your your level of excitement. So how do you think we'd write this program? Maybe you should pause this video to think about it for a minute and then jump right back. So the first thing we notice is that there in the letters of the alphabet, there are some of them. For example, we say give me a B. That's all right. But we can't say give me a A or give me a E. So some alphabets go with an and others go with a. So the first thing we want to do is to list those alphabets that go with an and. That's the first thing we want to do. So let's list them. We have an E, and F, and all of these letters go with an and. So we have them in lowercase and in uppercase, and that's because no matter the case, this is going to be case sensitive. So whether we write the uppercase or the lowercase version, we want our code to remember that this is an and letter. There are smarter ways of doing this. There are functions that make these things case insensitive. I mean, we could write it in all caps and use the function is lower, but let's just make do with this right now. So next, I said it will ask you for your name. So we have this keyword impute that would literally, when you use the keyword impute and when you run the code, it's going to, before the code, for the code to even run, it's going to start from, let's say, this second line. It's going to ask you to enter your name. So the impute keyword would ask you as a question to impute the answer of whatever you have and the impute argument. So in this case, the argument is enter your name. So let's say enter your name below. And we have a /n, which is used for a new sentence, a new line, not sentence, a new line. So when we have /n, it's going to give you space, a new line just under the enter your name for you to enter your name. So let's look for our excitement level. Let's call it joy level. Joy. What's your joy level? How happy are you? Okay. We should also use this. Enter your joy level below. That's joy. Let's use happiness. Enter your level of excitement. I think it sounds better this way. Enter your level of excitement. A lot of things are misspelled. Of excitement below. So enter your level of excitement below. This would throw up an error because level of excitement, we want to enter numbers, and numbers is of type, the numbers we want to enter is of type integer, so we'll just write int input. So that will convert everything, whatever it is we enter here, it will convert it to a type int. What is your level of excitement? Let's use this. What is your level of excitement? Let's say 1 to 5. So what do you think we should do next? What do you think we should do next? So the next thing we do is, remember at this point, at line 2, you've entered your name, and at line 3, you've entered your happiness level or the level of your excitement, whatever. So first of all, we want to pick the letters in your name one by one, right? So we are going to say for letter in name, for letter in name. So it's going to pick, for example, like I said, if your name is Brian, it's going to pick the words, the letters in Brian, Brian. It's going to pick it one by one. So for all the letters in your name, for each of the letters in your name, if letter in and letter, if that letter is here, we want to say give me an whatever the letter is, else we print give me a whatever the letter is. But because we are hailing, like I said when I was describing this exercise, we want to say give me an R, right? So give me an the letter, yes, we want to use exclamation mark. Give me an whatever the letter is, then the letter. Okay, we can also use the plus sign here for concatenation. One way to write is with the comma, combining. This is a string, this is an already defined a variable up there. So you either use commas or you use the plus sign, which is used for concatenation. So we have give me the letter, you have this, then you have this. Right. So the next thing we say, yeah, we could ask, what does that spell? And we're going to say it spells your name. So let's say it spells your name. What does that spell? We're going to say for I in range, whatever your excitement level is, in range, happiness level. In range, happiness level. For I in range, happiness level. So I'm using this to say that I want to print your name. For example, if your happiness level is 3, range happiness level, that is range 3, would give 0, 1, 2. So I want to print your name 3 times. If you count the elements in range 3, 0, 1, 2, that's 3 elements. So I want to print your name 3 times. So we have, right, print your name. So At 0, it prints your name. At 1, it prints your name. Let's just run this to see how it goes. Yes, enter your name below. So let's say our name is Martha. What's the level of excitement? I am very excited. Let's say 5. So give me an M, give me an A, give me an R, give me a T, give me an H, give me. What does that spell? Martha. Right. But I see a little bit of an error here. It's supposed to be give me a T, but I say give me at. So that's something to do with space. Let's fix that. Let's go again. Let's say Brian. Oh, our level of excitement is 3. A B, that hasn't been fixed. So with this concatenation, I'll just add space. Let's add space. Let's go again. Maybe we'll go with Brian again. Brian. We'll just, yes, give me a B. I hope this was a fun exercise for you. If you did like this video, please subscribe, like, share, and I'll meet you on the next one.